any one of you to go around to the stalls, look around, and I feel very happy to see so many fit men and women around because I think it's very important to be fit, and I'd actually like to go around and see what's available in the stalls. And thank you guys for actually being so fit and being an example to all your friends, and always stay fit and stay tough and lead a very positive lifestyle and pass that on to your friends. And I'd like to see more girls, because I think fitness is not only about men, it's also about women, and it's about people of all age groups. So all the best to all of you.
Thank you so much, John.
मेरे हैबिट्स जो है वो बहुत ही हेल्दी है. 9:30-10 बजे मैं सो जाता हूँ, 4:30 बजे उठता हूँ. आई डोंट स्मोक, आई डोंट ड्रिंक. लाइफ में आई नेवर डन ड्रग्स. तो ऐसे लाइफस्टाइल हैबिट्स ज़रूरी होते हैं. एंड अक्सर हम लोग बोलते हैं कि चीट डे होना बहुत ज़रूरी होता है, लेकिन आई डोंट थिंक आई हैड अ चीट डे इन अबाउट 9 years 10 years नाउ. तो काफ़ी डिसिप्लिन हूँ मैं. एंड आई थिंक इट्स इम्पॉर्टेंट कि अगर आप भी डिसिप्लिन रहे, I think you can get all of you guys are in fantastic shape. मुझे शायद आप लोगों से कुछ सीखना चाहिए अभी.
Well, thanks. All right. Now, here's my request, guys. Here's my request. The questions that you're coming up with, it'd be great if it is fitness related. All right. So we're here to answer all the fitness related questions. We can take one question from here. Yeah. Anyone?
John, straight, John. अरे कैमरा नीचे कर. John, सामने.
How many calories do you take in a day? How many calories?
Well, I don't count calories. I consume a certain amount of, have a certain lifestyle. I don't burn too much as well. I just burn during my workouts. I think I consume close to about 4,000 to 5,000 calories overall, because my lifestyle is such. I lead an active lifestyle, and I have signed on for a lot of action films. So if I was just dancing, I guess it would be a little easier. But when you do a lot of action and you're running around a lot, you consume a lot. And I obviously consume twice my body weight in terms of protein. And
ओए भी काय नाही आहे तसंच राहते.
it's better to come to a place like this and go to a film award function. Thank you.
Now, this section of the crowd, any questions here?
Sir, hello sir. I am big fan of you. Sir, shall I pick with you? Please sir, please. You are my god. Please sir.
All right. Easy.
He's a very serious bodybuilder. He's got पूरे bare body shots है इनके नहीं, इनके किसके shots है वो? अच्छा ऐसे ही लगा दिया आपने.
All right.
John, we have around 2,000 body power ambassadors throughout the country. A lot of whom are here. Can you just put your hand up if you're a body power ambassador, please? Body power ambassadors, hands up.
Who are the body power ambassadors out here? Oh, lovely. First of all, big congratulations to all of you for promoting this cause, and I think Nick's done a fabulous job to really, yes, fitness is only going to grow in this country. We've got 1.2 billion people. We've got 60% of the population below the age of 40. So there are going to be a lot of fit people. So just continue being fit, and I think it's very cool to be fit. It's very cool not to drink. It's very cool not to party till late in the night. The only advice I give all of you is that while the others are sleeping after their parties, you're going to be training in the morning in beast mode. Am I right or wrong? That's good. That's good. Kill it.
John, you know, one of the things I've noticed working all around the world is the quality of bodybuilders and physique athletes in India. They're phenomenal, world-class physiques here. I just noticed that one of the best in India, Sangram Tani, is here. And Sangram is a classic example of quality bodybuilder, Indian born and bred.
अरे
For having me here, and wish you all the best. Stay fit and always work in beast mode. Kill it, guys.